Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Waldeck, Saskatchewan, a peaceful village just off the Trans-Canada Highway, surrounded by wide fields and open skies. The name Waldeck comes from a region in Germany chosen by the early settlers who brought their language, culture, and strong farming traditions with them. The village was officially established in the early 1900s, growing alongside the expansion of the railway. Many of the first residents were Mennonite families who helped build a close-knit and hard-working community. Farming has always been at the heart of life here, and it still plays a big role today. You'll see grain elevators and fields stretching far into the distance. With its simple beauty and strong roots, it offers a quiet break from the busyness of the road. Whether you're just passing through or stopping to explore, Waldeck welcomes you with small town warmth. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Waldeck, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!